Hello, Cheese here. Hope you guys do like, comment, subscribe. This is a video set I took today of the flowers and trees that look beautiful around my area, and also of birds. They're starting to sing, they're starting to spring. I hope you guys do like. It's gonna be a beautiful day, and a lot of cherry blossoms are out. Here we go. Beautiful day in Seattle. This is Cheese. Look at our blooms happening for our cherry blossoms. It's about 58 degrees, a little bit cool on the wind side. Let me just look and walk to some beautiful more trees. Let's see what I can find today. That's a bird. Look at him. Wildlife is out here today in full force, especially the birds. Look at this trail that's in Seattle area, Fairford area. Pretty. These are pretty. These are all over in Seattle this time of year. They look a lot like the cherry blossoms. Yellow. Look how large these trees are. Roads, a little bit loud, but majestic. Look at her. I got this in my D23. Looks like a little tiny magazine article. D23 edition of the half century of vacation kingdom of the world. A most magical celebration. Look at these photos though. Walt Disney World resorts 4 theme parks, 2 water parks, dozens of resort hotels, and more offer much to explore and celebrate. Walt Disney previews the most ambitious and final dream, the Florida Project. His final film, Epcot, was shot on October 27th, 1966 at the Disney Studios. Volume 50, Number 1, D23, the official Disney fan club for the fan and all of us, and D23.com. This is built just like the papers that they had. Company co-founder Roy Disney and Mickey Mouse survey construction progress at the Magic Kingdom of 1971. Isn't that a cool picture of Roy and Mickey Mouse? Then let's look at this. Goofy and Pluto lend a hand, or paw, to help out with the creation of the Sunshine Pavilion in Adventureland in April of 1971. Think how much his Goofy has changed in looks since then. Pluto has not that much, maybe a little bit smaller snout, but Goofy, he's changed a lot since 1971. I just like look at these photos. A special parade and the release of thousands of balloons are among the visual spectacles at the Walt Disney World grand opening ceremonies held on October 25th, 1971. Look at that, articles. Okay, got two photos. One is this. This is for number 3. Launching from the dock where the Disney career began, and many of the best friend fellow D23 and team member Justin, the Walt Disney World Jungle Cruise starts the cruise beyond the classics like the Great African Viaduct, where the hand of the man never stepped foot, and the majestic Schweitzer Falls. And then, do you remember him, the DJ? He's got caterpillar eyebrows, 8 fingers, petite feet, and dresses like what a child imagines a fancy astronomer wears to work. But he is none other than Sunny Eclipse, the biggest little star in the galaxy. I noticed there's different sections, and I will start to read these sections for you guys. Look at that contemporary. Character breakfast at the Contemporary Resort. That's what that photo was for. This is for the Epcot area. Living with the Land Boat Tour. Scrumptious baked goods at the Norway Pavilion at Epcot has to offer shopping over Kangra Bakari Og Cafe. Look at those, those look delicious. Lastly, Typhoon Lagoon. You can see the ship in the photo. Opened right on time for my life. It's still very young with a boy who dreams of tropical places offering kid-friendly adventures surrounded by lush oasis. Got 2 pictures left. Sci-Fi Dine-In's Theater Resort. One-of-a-kind interior time capsule in the drive-in theater era. Nested on the corner of Dinoland, USA, Dinosaurs, one-of-a-kind trans-dimensional joyride that has all the essentials of classic full-size auto-automatronics. Wasn't those photos great? Let's read the first page. A whole new, most magical celebration. Whole new year of Disney awaits. Hope you are ready for the most magical year of celebrating all things Disney, Pixar, Star Wars, Marvel, and more. D23 is your official Disney fan club, and we are thrilled that you renewed or just got, as of May, your D23 Gold membership. We can't wait for you to enjoy another year of wonderful benefits that the world's only official Disney fan club offers the ultimate Disney fan. As part of your membership, I am presently thrilled to share with you an extraordinary 2021 Gold Member Collector Set, which celebrates 50 years of Walt Disney World. I just got that. The Vacation Kingdom of the World. This incredible collection, inspired by the iconic, nostalgic Disney theme park souvenirs of the past, includes a vintage-inspired lunchbox. Yes! Stunning custom-designed set of 5 retro pins. Love them. A brilliant commemorative pennant. Got it. Put it up on the wall. Looks wonderful. And an exclusive vinyl record, all featuring the original art created just for D23. And to top it all off, you're reading the 2020 edition of the original classic Disney publication, the Walt Disney World News, filled with articles created from commemorative in this milestone. Your personalized gold membership is also enclosed. As part of your gold membership, you also receive a gorgeous quarterly publication, Disney 23, which is so beautifully designed that you'll want to display it in the rest of your year's issues. D23 commemorates bringing unprecedented summer experiences and fun to our members, including fantastic array of gold membership exclusive virtual events. Last year, D23 hosted everything from premiere screenings of Adventure through the Walt Disney Archives and phenomenal panels with Imagineers, filmmakers, and celebrities to advanced screenings of Disney Plus movies. And D23 is excited to unlock the magic of Disney for you in 2021. When permitted, we're excited to continue many of our fan-favorite experiences, adhering to local safety guidelines, including guided tours of the Walt Disney Studios lot and our magical screening services. And don't miss the latest details and information on our signature events like Destination D and D23 Expo. To get even more out of your membership, be sure to visit d23.com regularly for new and updated special discounts and offers, gold membership exclusive membership merchandise opportunities, and breaking Disney news, exclusive stories and content, and our calendar of events and more. Our e-newsletter Fanfare comes to your inbox each week to make sure you never miss a beat and catch the latest in all things D23 and beyond by connecting with us at D23 on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Are you ready to join us as we celebrate the magical worlds of Disney? Welcome to another year of D23, celebrating you, the ultimate Disney fan. Sincerely, Michael Vargo, head of D23, the official Disney fan club. Well, wasn't that fantastic? Hope you guys do like. Hope you guys do comment right down there, and hope you guys do subscribe. Bloomin' Cheesa out here. Hello, and welcome to part 2 of this video. This is to make it look longer. That way, when it's alive, you can definitely see that it is longer. This is a introduction into my Saturday streams. This is going to be every Saturday. It's going to be a live that you can watch, and I will be in the comments also. So this is going to be epic. This is part 2 of my videos. Part 1 was right back there. It was a bunch of wildlife, flowers, trees, birds that I've seen. And this is part 2